Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup DirectAdmin VPS using Admin Backup Tool, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup your DirectAdmin VPS using the Admin Backup Tool, first, log into your DirectAdmin control panel. Enter your username and password, and click the Login button. Once logged in, look for the Account Manager section in the main menu. Click on Admin Backup/Transfer to access the backup options. On the Admin Backup page, you will see several options for creating backups. Select Create Backup to begin the backup process. In the Account section, choose the account you wish to backup. Set the type of backup you want to create. You can choose between a full backup or a partial backup, depending on your needs. Next, look for the Backup Destination options. You can save the backup locally or send it to a remote server if preferred. If you're saving it locally, ensure you have enough disk space on your VPS. Choose the compression level for the backup if applicable. Higher compression can save space but may take longer to process. Once you've configured your settings, click the Create Backup button. A confirmation message will appear indicating that the backup process has started. You can monitor the progress on the same page. Once the backup is complete, you will receive a notification. For retrieving backups, head back to the Admin Backup/Transfer section. Here, you can see a list of all your previous backups. Choose the backup you wish to restore. Follow the prompts to finalize the restoration process if needed. Remember to regularly schedule backups to ensure your data is secure. That's it. You've successfully backed up your DirectAdmin VPS using the Admin Backup Tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.